Well, for some reason the fucking camera turned off. That's fucking weird. This is why I keep it on the handlebars. I gotta keep an eye on this fucking red light. Because sometimes it'll just randomly turn itself off for no reason. I don't know how long it was off for. It didn't seem like it was very long. But I'm going along and all of a sudden I see the screen come on. I'm like, why is the screen on? And I look and I realize the light's not on and the fucking thing stopped recording for no reason. And that's twice now that's fucking done that to me. And it's starting to piss me off with these GoPros. Like, I don't think I'm going to ever get another GoPro. This is my first and last GoPro, which is the Hero 13. And I'm not getting another GoPro after this. Like, it's going to be a while before I can afford to get another camera because I spent all my money on this one. But my next camera is probably going to be a DJI that matches the mic mini I have. Because this fucking thing, that's twice too many times fucking losing footage. It's fucking bullshit. I got a GoPro because everybody's fucking talking about, oh, GoPros are the best cameras. Get a GoPro. Oh, you should get a GoPro. They're so fucking good. And then I get a GoPro and they fucking suck. They're no good in low light. You try to do a night ride, you can't fucking see anything. And then they decide to randomly turn off for no reason. You'll be recording and all of a sudden you got nothing. So I'm sitting there going, geez, how is that the fucking best camera? My review of the GoPro is not very high right now. Because this is the second time it's done that to me since I owned it. The first time I thought, maybe it's like a mistake or whatever. But now here we go again. It's like, come on. I shouldn't have to be scared that the camera's gonna fucking turn off on me. You know, you're a fucking camera. Do your job to be a camera and fucking stay on. Like, how did GoPro get such a great reputation when their cameras suck? I mean, fuck, my phone takes better video. More reliable, too. Got half a mind to just fucking put a phone mount on here and start using my phone to record. Like, thankfully, I noticed the light and the screen thing, so I don't think I lost too much footage there, like maybe a minute or something. But it still just fucking annoys the piss out of me. So yeah, my review of the GoPro Hero 13 is a 1 out of 10. Because it's not reliable, you can't count on it to record. And that happens at the wrong time, you can lose some like really good footage. What if a fucking UFO was flying right in front of me and my stupid camera turned off and I missed it, you know? As an example. I mean, the first time it happened to me, I missed like a large chunk of footage. Like, I had a whole thing where I went through Heritage Village, and it was a special day because I actually had the train running that day, so I got some nice footage, or so I thought, of the little train going around, and only to find out later that it was all gone because the fucking camera decided to just shut itself off.